Welcome to my channel. My name is Sahana Khan. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Dsoar hair. If you do not know about Dsoar hair, sis, you are very much late. I'm gonna put y'all on. This is like my third or fourth time working with this company. Definitely love working with them. Y'all go shop. We are about to get right into this video. So y'all, I just used a regular cap, the regular bar cap method. Nothing special about that, y'all. I still be having trouble with keeping the cap down sometimes, so that's why I have not done a video on it. I'm still trying to get it all the way fully perfected. I'm just using this glue by the name of Boho, y'all. Boho Extreme. When I say this is the best, y'all, this is the best. It works. It's waterproof, literally all that, sis. I only put a small amount of glue, and my laces been laid lately. They have not been lifting. Before I was using this different lace glue, but then I started back using this because, y'all, I don't know why I stopped using this lace glue. This lace glue is literally easy to use. It don't be as sticky, like it's easy to remove, literally all that. But y'all, I am just installing this wig. Very easy, very simple, as I do in every video. Literally same thing, same steps. Sometimes I like to try different techniques depending on how I'm feeling or what look I'm going for. But this was just a regular install, very simple, y'all. I did end up cutting the lace a little too much on one side, but I ended up finessing it, making it look like nothing was wrong. So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoy making and collabing with Dsoar hair. Go shop with Dsoar hair if you are interested, guys. Their link, literally Instagram, website, everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, and I will see y'all in my next video.